Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel called Hiremath, and this is Vinay. Before you watch today in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic called types of sentences. This is regarding the English grammar topic. This is one among them which are very important and precious grammar topics. And this is Vinay before you watch today to eradicate your doubt between regarding the types of sentences which belongs to the English grammar topic, and today we are going to discuss about the topic called types of sentences in a very detailed manner. So I think it may be little lengthy topic, so lengthy video, so please you should have the patience to watch this video, and you have to assure that you should watch this video till the end. Thank you so much for your assistance till now, and I hope that you will be there with me till my position, means if I reach my position, I think you will be there for me, and your contribution is a very great. So now I will stop here because this is very broad introduction of mine, so I will stop here. Henceforth we will continue with the topic types of sentences. Here we will discuss about the types of sentences. And another one confusion is there, one misconception is there for you people, because I also suffered from that confusion. That is, types of sentences and kinds of sentences are different. We are thinking, but are same. Means types of sentences and kinds of sentences are same because we are using interchangeably that word kinds and types. So in types there are again some examples are there, means topics are there, like declarative, assertive. Assertive means also the declarative, and interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Those are different, but here we are going to discuss about the simple, compound, complex, and compound complex sentences. What are those? We will discuss ahead. With these criteria I have given here, what are types of sentences, how many are those, examples of those we will discuss here. So please you should have the patience to watch this video till the end. And my request to you is that if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe to it. Make sure to press the bell icon to receive further more updates of mine, and be connected till your throughout your life. Okay, now without spending more time on the introduction, let's jump into the topic. What are types of sentences? Kinds of sentences are three types, but again the last one type I will tell you. First one is simple sentence, second one is compound, third one is complex, and fourth one is compound and complex. What are those? We will discuss ahead. How many are those? Three are those. I have already told you: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Examples of those I have given here, I have displayed, and I have written here on the board. As you can see here, I think this is obvious. I think it is not obscure. Okay, now I have given here only 5 examples. Which example belongs to which topic I will tell you. This one example is which belongs to the simple topic or simple sentence. Okay, how I like to read books. Okay, I like to read books. What is meant by simple sentence? We have to understand at the very first what is meant by simple sentence. Simple sentence is nothing but the simple structure which follows, which gives the meaning, and which is grammatically correct. That's we call the simple sentence, and that will be the statement as well. The simple sentence is nothing but which follows the structure called as subject plus verb plus object. That's we call the simple sentence. So as you can see here, this is in the structure called subject plus verb plus object, and this is also giving the right meaning, and this is of course giving the grammatically correct sentence. So that's why there is no any objections to call this as, there is no any interruption to call this as the, this is not simple sentence, but this is the simple sentence. Okay, this is the simple sentence, because this we have to claim that this is a simple sentence, because according to the grammar, according to the meaning, according to the structure, this is the correct one. I like to read books. Okay, I like to read books. This is the preposition, and this is the verb here, and this is the object. Like is the what? Like is the adjective here, and I is the subject. This is okay. This is a simple sentence. And second one, which is the compound sentence. Compound sentence is nothing but which are having two independent clauses. That's we call the compound sentence, and those compound sentences are joining with the help of coordinating conjunctions, as we have as we have the trick called fan voice. Okay, fan voice means F means for, but, and yet, so. These all are belongs to the coordinating conjunctions, and which sentences are joining by the coordinating conjunctions, to them we have to call as the compound sentences. Compound sentences are having two independent clauses. Which are those independent clauses? What are clauses? At the very first we have to understand that. We have already understood in our previous video. If you want that video link, then I will provide in this video description. You can go and check, you will get that video. But before that, you have to know that what are clauses. Clauses are nothing but, in short, I will tell you in this video right now. Clauses are of two types. Simple, which is also called as independent, which is also known as main clause, which is also famous with the name called principal clause. Okay, principal clause means which is independent, which is not dependent on other coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. That is not dependent. That is itself a meaningful sentence. That we call the independent clause. Dependent clause, which is dependent on the subordinating conjunction, which is wanting the independent clause to be the meaningful sentence. So that is the dependent clause, that which joins by the subordinating conjunction. That we call the dependent clause. Okay, this is all about the clauses. Okay, now let's come to the point. I like to drink tea, I like to drink coffee, isn't it? Okay, I think you got it. I like to drink tea, I like to drink coffee. Okay, this is the compound sentence. Okay, this is one complete sentence. I like to drink tea, I like to drink coffee. But here, these compound sentences either joined by the comma, or those will be joined by the coordinating conjunctions, or in short we can call them as fan voice. Those are the coordinating conjunctions. Which are those? But, and, yet, so, or, for. These all are the fan voice, means coordinating conjunctions. So here in the third example, as you can see here, the message you had sent to me, yet not I received that. As I have already told you, this is also which belongs to the compound sentences, because this here, from the message you had sent to me till this to me, this is a one complete sentence which is independent clause, and here also this is the another sentence, but which joined by the fan voice, means a coordinating conjunction, that we call yet not I received that. So if you remove these both, then I received that. This is a meaningful sentence. So that's why we call the compound sentence as two independent clauses which will be joined by the coordinating conjunction. That's we call the compound sentence. Now let us move on the fourth example. The fourth example which belongs to the component complex sentence. In component complex sentence, we will see there will be two independent clauses with one dependent clause. How we will these examples will make things you clear. Okay, thank you. I had written everything in my examination. Okay, from I had written everything in my examination till examination, the sentence is over. That's meaningful itself, but we joined that by the coordinating conjunction called but accuracy is less. Okay, that is also a meaningful sentence, but we joined through the help of the coordinating conjunction called but. So that's why that which converted into the compound sentence. And now let us see the complex sentence in that example only, how that is joined by the subordinating conjunction called because. I hadn't understood the lesson. Okay, so here as you can see here, this is the complete sentence which joined by the coordinating conjunction as well as by the subordinating conjunction. So that's why this entire example of the fourth SR number example called as the compound complex sentence, which belongs to the compound complex category. So this example is the instance for you to make things clear about your mistakes, you people. Okay, this will make things clear to you people. I will repeat once again. I had written everything in my examination, but accuracy is less because I hadn't understood the lesson in the class. In the class, as we can write from here to this lesson. This is one complete sentence. But that which joined by the subordinating conjunction which joined the one independent clause to another dependent clause. So that's we call. And here you have to keep in your mind that the subordinating conjunction which will be starting with the subordinating conjunction, that's called the dependent clause. Okay. Now here we have three examples within a one entire example. How? I had written everything in the examination. This is one complete sentence, simple sentence it is. And second one, accuracy is less. This is the second one, and third one is I hadn't understood the lesson. This is the third example, but those are the combination of the coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction, and that converted into the compound and complex sentence. Okay, I think you understood thoroughly, isn't it? Okay, thank you so much. And now, if you haven't understood yet, then go back to the video, you will be understood thoroughly. Now, the fifth and last and best example called as complex sentence, which belongs to the complex category, called as shouldn't read newspaper. Shouldn't read newspaper. This is the simple and independent clause. Okay, which can give itself, it is a meaningful sentence. That we call the independent clause or principal or main clause or simple clause. That we call the simple sentence. And another one which joined by the subordinating conjunction, that we call the subordinating conjunction, which will be at the very first of independent clause. It will take the place of first in the dependent clause. That's we call the subordinating conjunction. The dependent clause which is starting from the subordinating conjunction, that's we call the dependent clause. And traveling is a single word or predicate, it is, which is giving the meaning, but which joined by the subordinating conjunction called as while. So that's why here, as you can see here, this is the example of complex sentence. What is complex sentence? I will define once again. I will repeat, which is having one independent clause and one dependent clause, which is starting with subordinating conjunction, and the rest of the sentence called as the dependent clause and dependent clause, which will be always followed by a independent clause. So that's what we call complex sentence here. So the fifth example which belongs to the complex sentence. Okay, in the last I will tell you that only you have to practice a lot, then you will be understood thoroughly ahead. Okay, this is the turn to understand the clauses. So that's why I will provide that link in my description of this video. So if you go and check that video, then you will get that video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.